Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to subscribe to Claude Pro plans and pricing explained. Are you ready to take your Claude experience to the next level? Subscribing to Claude Pro can unlock a world of enhanced features and capabilities, perfect for personal use or team collaborations. Whether you're looking to boost productivity or streamline your workflow, making the switch from a free account to a pro subscription can seem confusing. But don't worry, we are here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth transition with no hiccups. Let's dive right into it. To begin your upgrade journey, ensure you're signed in to your Claude account. You should start at your Claude dashboard. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and this will open up your account panel in Settings. It's important to note that even if you find yourself on a different page within the app, the Profile section will always be available in that same corner. The main goal here is to access your account menu, where you will find all the necessary billing and plan options. Once you've opened your account menu, the next step is to click on Upgrade Plan. Depending on the size of your screen, this option might appear simply as Upgrade or Upgrade Plan within the settings. This will lead you to the Upgrade page, where you can explore the different plans available. Now, take a moment to choose the plan that best fits your needs. You'll want to select the Pro option that matches how you intend to use Claude. It's crucial to read through the plan descriptions, usage limits, and note whether the pricing is structured on a monthly or annual basis. If you're part of a team, ensure that you are upgrading the correct workspace. This ensures that the benefits of the Pro subscription apply exactly where you need them. After you've decided on a plan, it's time to enter your payment details. You'll need to input your card number, expiration date, and CVC exactly as they appear on your card. Additionally, don't forget to include your billing name and address, with the postal code. Many banks require this information to authorize the charge. If there are fields for company details or tax information, be sure to fill those out as well, so that your invoice is complete and accurate. Before finalizing your purchase, take a moment to review the terms and conditions. Pay attention to sections on billing frequency, renewals, cancellations, and refunds to avoid any surprises later on. Confirm your agreement by checking the relevant box or prompt presented on the page. When all your details are correctly filled in, click on the Subscribe button. Give it a moment to process, and you should receive a confirmation that your upgrade is active. Your account will immediately reflect the new Pro features. On your dashboard, you might see indicators like a Pro badge or updated usage limits. A receipt will typically be sent to the email associated with your account, and you can also access your invoices anytime in the billing section. If you find that the subscribe button is disabled, double-check all required fields, especially the postal code and any terms checkbox. And if you don't see the upgrade plan option at all, try refreshing the page or ensure you're logged into the correct account. That's it. You've now successfully subscribed to Claude Pro, unlocking an enhanced experience tailored to your needs. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to subscribe to Claude Pro plans and pricing explained. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.